Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today we're going to do a morning Pilates class, a short express one to help us get ready for the day. So let's begin the class by lying down on our mats. Lying down on your mats and then just hug your knees in, tuck your chin, relax your shoulders on the mat. Take a couple of clearing deep breaths, exhaling for the count of 3, 2, 1. Inhaling for the count of 3, 2, 1. Then just take a tiny little circle one way, massaging your lower back, and a tiny circle the other way. Beautiful. We're going to place our feet on the floor. We're going to place our hands beside our hips. I'm going to tuck the tailbone under and roll up into a bridge. And then just hold it here. Just be mindful of the weight distribution on your feet, equal distribution of weight. So you're not rolling to the little pinky toe or the big toe. And then exhale, rolling down. Let's do that again. Tuck the tailbone under, one vertebra at a time, lifting up into a bridge. Now this time, interlock your fingers underneath. Really grab hold of your arms. Bring your shoulder blades together. And then gently rolling down, one vertebra at a time. Beautiful. And then again, tucking the tailbone under. Change the hand grip. So we're using the opposite thumb, comes in front. Tuck the chin in. Take a couple of deep breaths here. We're opening up the chest, the shoulders. And also we're activating the glute muscles. And then gently release down. We're going to open up our shoulders, so have your hands up to the ceiling. And as we inhale, we reach the fingers over our head, touch the fingernails to the carpet or floor behind you, and then exhale back up. Inhale, lengthen your abdominal muscles, really reaching. And exhale, come back. Let's do 5 more. 5. Reaching. 4. Beautiful. 3, 2, and 1. This time we're going to have the hands over our head. We're going to tuck the tailbone under, reach up into the bridge. And then as we bring the buttocks down, we're going to bring the hands down. And then inhale, lift up. 4 more. Beautiful. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're doing so well. This time we're going to drop the buttocks down, keep our hands over our head. This time we're going to reach the hips up, bring the hands to the floor. And reverse it. Beautiful. Keep breathing. Keep the abs engaged. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Drop the buttocks down. Have the hands up to the ceiling. We're going to lift the feet up 90-90. Really engage the core muscles. Pull the belly button in and we're going to extend one leg. Keep the belly button pulled in. Extend the other leg. Now we're going to add opposite arm, opposite leg. Extend for 4. Keep the belly button pulled in. 4. You're doing so well. Keep breathing. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. And then we're going to hug the knees in, have a little rock one way, have a little rock the other way. We're going to roll over onto our bellies. So rolling over onto your bellies. We're going to have the feet nice and wide, one hand on top of the other, forehead facing the mat, and then inhale, lift up the thighs, nice straight legs, squeeze in the glutes and release. Lift up and release. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then gently release. We're going to bring the hands into a 90-degree angle. We're going to inhale, lift, squeeze those elbows together, opening up the chest and the shoulder blades, and then gently release. Inhale, lifting, squeeze those elbows together, keep your forehead facing the mat, and release. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Feet together, arms long. We're going to lengthen opposite hand, opposite leg, and reach those arms up and that leg up. Reaching up and release. Let's do 4 more. 4, 4. Keep your forehead facing the mat. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Good. And this time we're going to inhale, lift up the arms and lift up the legs, holding it. 3, 2, 1. Gently release. And again, inhale, lift up. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Bring your hands to your shoulders, and then let's just rest in child's pose. So knees nice and wide, toes touching, heels on, buttocks on the heels, and take a nice big exhale. Nice big inhale. Nice big exhale. Nice big inhale. We're going to come up onto all fours. Hands wider than the shoulders, knees hip distance apart. Tuck the toes under, and then pull the belly button in and lift your knees up. That's it. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Let's do that again. Pull the belly button in, tuck the toes under, and then lift those knees up 1 inch from the mat or 2 inches. Breathe. Keep your neck nice and long so you're not tucking in or looking up, and gently release. Extend one leg to the back wall and change. Try to keep your hips parallel to the mat. Extend. Extend. Now if this is comfortable, opposite hand, opposite leg. And we're going to do 3 more. 3, 3. Keep the belly button pulled in. 2, 2, 1, 1. Good. Now watch the change. We're going to have the opposite hand and opposite leg, and we're going to tuck the tailbone, knee to elbow. One more time. And change. Other side. Extend the arm, elbow to knee, extend for 3, 2, 1. Change sides, extend. 3, 2, 1. Change sides. 3, 2, 1. Change sides. This time we're going to extend, tuck, arch the back for 3, 2, 1. Extend, bend the back leg, grab hold of the foot. We're just going to open up for 3, 2, 1. Let's change sides. And elbow to the knee for 3, 2, 1. Extend, bend the knee, grab hold of the foot for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize the spine. We're going to come sitting cross-legged. And we're just going to place the hands on the shoulder, elbows together, exhale down, inhale, lift up, exhale down, inhale, lift up, exhale down, inhale, lift up. Elbows together, lifting up and down. We're just releasing all the tension we may have built up in our shoulders, letting it go. And then gently release. Extend your arms, grab hold of the opposite elbows, lift up, exhale, come down. And change. Inhale, lift. Exhale, come down. One more time, lifting up. And change sides. And then relaxing down, just roll those shoulders back. And then roll those shoulders forward. And let's just sit with a nice, long, straight spine. And just exhale anything you're holding on to. Relax those shoulders. Inhale. And exhale. And thank yourself for giving yourself these few minutes in the day to just stretch out the body and to create balance. And think of 3 things that you're grateful for today. 3 things that give you pleasure. Inhale in, exhale out gratitude. Inhale in, exhale out gratitude. Inhale in, exhale out gratitude. And then just gently open your eyes and come back into the room. I thank you for your time. If you've liked this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe and share. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.